planted some nasturtium on the fence line, but hasn't really done anything yet. The only thing we've harvested really is some peas.
Good too.
You want to pick one for Scarlett?
I'm gonna pick
No,
one.
it's not ready yet. There's some over there.
There's some over there. That one?
Is it big enough?
Yeah.
Okay, and then let him pick the last one there.
Oh, no, that's not. What?
And then Morgan needs, Scarlett needs hers.
That's really good.
Did you try it yet?
Yes.
Is it sweet?
Here, eat it. The rest that you don't want to eat. Don't eat that part. Throw that away.
You guys are good sharing. My rhubarb's been eaten up by something. So I put diatomaceous earth on it. Okay, I'll go back in the same order I did before. Of course, got the hay bale garden going. Something new I just added was these sweet potatoes. This was just a wasted area. So I got those all the way around. We've got some volunteer beets. My basil that I transplanted. It's doing good. My mom just pruned the tops off yesterday. Took those home. Volunteer potatoes. Peppers. So I've been doing battle with this asparagus beetles lately. Got tons of these little gross larvae here. And the beetles, every night I'm coming out and picking and squishing stuff off of those. Quite a bad infestation, I didn't realize. But anyway, and then I interplanted some buckwheat. I think that's like a little bit of sunburn maybe. Got my marigolds. This video is probably going to be crazy. What'd you got?
I caught a lightning bug at daytime.
Oh, okay. Let me see. Cool. How'd you find it?
It was laying in the dirt under the swings.
Oh, okay. Put it somewhere safe so it can light up tonight.
Can I put it on that flower?
Sure. Okay, so there's some more buckwheat there in the bare spots where I weeded.
He's climbing up there, Mom.
Okay. So that's this first row. Second row, I've got lemongrass, and it's so hard to tell from the weeds. So every time I think I'm gonna weed, I break a piece off. It smells like lemon, I'll leave it. And cilantro we've picked about 2 or 3 times. There's some more basil and marigolds. And then a bunch of wax beans. And then all the Alabama Gardener warty squash. Still no blossoms, it's kind of wilted in the heat. I gotta come out, I've been watering every other day for now. Got some beets going here. And then potatoes. Wow, they're really dry. And then these are the rest of the tomato plants. And then our herbs still look the same. Just garlic, I don't know if that's ready to be harvested. And then I finally got the raspberries out of the weeds here. Just kind of pulled it and mulched. So those are good. And then it hurts your feet. What? Okay, just a minute. You see the flower we planted? Right there? Yeah, we've got our grapevines and flowers, and that's all of our garden. Say that's it. That's all.
That's all.
Yep.
That's some pretty.
Pretty flowers. There's some pink ones here. Well, let's not pick it. Those are going to turn into beans. I guess you can go show Abby that, okay? Say bye-bye. See you later.
Bye-bye. See you later. Keep them dry. No,
Not sure why they're sounding alarm.